Hi, I'm Sophie, and today I'm going to be talking about the new MADM correlation tool. MADM stands for Minimum Area Discrepancy Method, and is ideal for correlations between LS-DYNA simulations and physical tests, particularly when a force-versus deflection relationship is of interest. MADM offers benefits over other correlation methods as it can directly produce a rating with just force deflection data. MADM's correlation criteria uses an area method, aiming to maximize area overlap. MADM can be accessed by clicking the blue JavaScript button under Tools, then MADM Correlation Tool. In order to perform a correlation rating, 4 inputs are needed: a simulation curve from a model, and an average, lower, and upper curve from experimental test data. The first input method allows you to directly specify the test data. Curves can be inputted by browsing for a CSV file, or directly picking or selecting a t-His curve. Once you've selected this data, you can press Calculate to produce a new graph with the MADM rating curves. The MADM rating consists of a ratio R, representing the level of discrepancy between the simulation model and the experimental test data, which is then normalized to a MADM correlation number. The MADM correlation number is shown on the GUI, in the dialog box, and on the graph. Alternatively, if you don't have upper and lower curves, there are 2 other input methods which can be used. The second method allows you to input an average curve and generate a corridor of constant width around it. You select for simulation average curves as before, input an offset value, then press Use to generate this corridor. You can change the offset value and regenerate the corridor as needed. These upper and lower curves can then be used as the upper and lower curves in the MADM correlation rating calculation. Again, pressing Calculate produces a new graph with the MADM rating curves and the MADM correlation number. The third method allows the input of a dataset of deflection time and force time curves, from which you can create a corridor of varying width around a generated average curve. The width variation is based off of the standard deviation of each point. How many multiples of standard deviations for width is can be specified in the text box here. Similarly, you can then press Use to generate the average, lower, and upper curves, which can be seen on the graph. These generated curves can then be used in the MADM correlation rating calculation. As usual, pressing Calculate produces a new graph with the MADM rating curves and MADM correlation number. Thank you for listening.